Nappy libraries exist essentially to get out and about and tell people all about using cloth nappies. We do this in a few different ways. The library element is we have kits of cloth nappies, and there's between 20 and 25 nappies in each kit, all different types, all different brands, and people can borrow them just like you borrow a book from the library to see how you get on with them and to maybe see if you have different brand preferences or different style preferences. If you borrow a kit as well, you get me and all my expertise. You can ask questions, how to wash them, how to dry them, fit, all of that stuff you get with our kits. The other side of what we do is getting out and about in the community and sharing information about cloth nappies. Cloth nappies aren't mainstream anymore like they used to be, and lots of people haven't even seen a cloth nappy. So it's my job to go to antenatal classes, baby groups, and just meet lots of families and show them some cloth nappies and talk to them about how they work and to maybe get them thinking about trying them out for themselves. So there are three main reasons families come to me because they want to use reusable nappies: environmental, cost, and also because they prefer a natural material next to their baby's skin. So in Wales alone, we throw away 143 million disposable nappies every single year. Now, if every family just chose to use one cloth nappy a day and disposables the rest of the time, that's 1,000 nappies per child from birth to potty training that are saved from that waste stream. So that's 1,000 disposable nappies that family doesn't have to buy. And some families choose to use reusable nappies because they prefer a more natural material like cotton or bamboo next to their baby's delicate skin. So the first thing you need to do when it comes to using reusable nappies is establish what size you need. Reusable nappies come in three main sizes. You have newborn sizes, which fit for the first few months of baby's life. Then you have birth to potty, which fit from about 10 pounds or 5 kilos, and they generally fit all the way up to potty training. But reusable nappies also come in bigger junior sizes, which are great if you have a larger sized child or if your child needs nappies for a longer time. This is Max, my slightly scary demo doll. I'm just going to quickly demonstrate how to put a cloth nappy on. So they go on quite similarly to a disposable. Pop baby under. Do the fastenings around the waist. Some of them have Velcro, some of them poppers. It's just personal preference. Doesn't have to be too tight around the waist. Leave a few fingers gap. The most important place is that it's tucked in to the knicker line and it's a snug fit round there. If a family comes to me and they want to borrow a kit, this is what you get. Lots and lots and lots of nappies, all different types, all different brands. And I sit with the family and talk through the different types of brands and how they work, and I answer any questions the families might have. And then the families take the whole kit away for a month to see how they get on with them. If there's a particular brand or make of nappy you want to try, we can also do bespoke kits. We can do night kits as well. If you're using cloth in the day but want to transition at night time, we can do specific nighttime kits that you can just take away and trial as well. One of the most common questions I get is, how do you wash a cloth nappy? Now, up to the age of 6 months, when babies are on solids, milk-fed poo, either formula or breast milk, are fine to go straight in the washing machine. Once baby's on solids, you have to put 3D poo either in the bin or down the toilet. That's when some people choose to use disposable liners. So you get the poo in your liner, put it in the toilet or in the bin. Once you've got rid of your solids, you pop your nappy inside a wet bag and zip it up. All our kits come inside a wet bag ready to use. So every 2 or 3 days, don't leave it longer than 3 days, take your wet bag, empty the nappies into the washing machine and pop the wet bag in as well. So all cloth nappies need a rinse or a short, coolish wash first. So you do that, most machines it's 15-20 minutes, and then you open the door and you can put more clothes in if there's room. After the rinse, you need to do a long, hottish wash with a full dose of powder. A temperature between 40 and 60 degrees, between 2 and 2.5 hours long. In terms of drying, once the wash is done, some types of nappies are happy to go in the tumble dryer, but in general it's best just to hang them up on a clothes horse or on your clothesline and wait for them to dry and go again.